Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Google Prompt device on Android or on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The easiest way you can remove Google Prompt on your device is go ahead and open the Google app on your phone. Just click on the search button and then search for Google. And click on Google. Once the Google app opens, click on the profile picture at the top right. And then click on Manage Google Account. Now scroll down and click on Security and Sign In. Scroll down that. Then you should see Google Prompt. Go ahead and click on that. Once you selected Google Prompt, then you'll be prompted to use your screen lock or confirm your Google password or login. Once you can confirm your fingerprint or your PIN, password or pattern or your Google password, it should say the number of devices that are added to your Google Prompt devices. In this case, I have my Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Now, to remove this device from my Google Prompt, click on Manage Devices. Once you click on that, then you should see all the devices where you receive Google Prompts. Now, to remove any of them, click on it. Once you click on the device you want to remove, confirm your login as well, either using your lock screen, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Now go ahead and click on sign out. You should see sign out of the device. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. Then you should see done. Click on OK. Now on that devices that receive your prompt, you should see the Google device removed on the device you selected. Now you need to repeat this on all other devices you want to remove. So in my own case, I want to remove this from my Samsung. Click on Samsung name or the name of the device you want to remove. Now, once you click on it, go ahead and click on sign out. Then you should see sign out on your device. This remove access to Google account from this device. Now click on sign out and then proceed. And that will remove the Google prompt from the particular device you selected. And that's it. So that is basically how to remove Google prompt device on your phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.